2 days ago, I showed you guys how I used AI to build my personal PhD level quant trading bot for myself. And then yesterday, I showed you how me and this quant work together, going back and forth using Telegram or WhatsApp to execute trades, and it works. And then today, I'll go an extra mile to now show you how you can actually do it yourself. The first video that I made about this, the very first one about OpenClaw, which is what I'm using to do this, it was a little technical. I got some messages from people saying, well, Gray, I tried to build, but, ChatGPT was forcing me to do a little bit of SSH and, write some code or whatever, edit some code. I don't know how to do it. Now, in this video, guys, I will show you how to do it without any coding. You will not write a single line of code. And you don't have to do anything. You're just going to press one button and the whole thing is going to happen. I will show you how to do this with an AI agent. Agentic AI is the best thing to do right now if you want to get things done. So get excited. Now, a lot of traders, why do a lot of traders fail or don't make money or they lose money or they miss opportunity? Number one is that they watch charts all day, or they miss entries because they were at work, they were doing something else, or they were sleeping when the market was moving. And then they also react emotionally. This is just part of being human. That's okay. So what I have done, I've decided to remove the whole human element from it and automate the execution layer that takes care of my trading. So before we go even any further, yesterday we opened a trade here in this video using AI, using my AI bot. And now I just want to show you guys how that trade is doing. So this is the trade we use the hedge strategy, which you open two positions at the same time, and then you close the loser, you keep the winner to keep on going. So this is now the trade. The other one automatically got stopped because the AI had set it up to do so. And now the remaining short position is now in profit by 11%. So remember, I only used 3x leverage. I gave $50 to each trade. So this might not seem like a lot of profit because of the capital used. But if you expand this at a larger level, like you have seen on my Binance account that I've been sharing in the group, you could see that you can make some real good gains. And also I used a much simpler strategy here that everybody has access to. It's free. But if you saw on my yesterday's video, I made 3 trades. One made me 3K, the other one I lost 1K, and then the other one I made 1,600 or something like that. So this thing is working. Now let's get back to business here, because I also want to clarify a couple of things. If you're just watching this for the first time, like, what the hell is this guy talking about? I'm talking about AI trading, using AI to basically trade and make decisions or to execute. So you have heard of this thing maybe called OpenClaw. This is what I'm using for this. OpenClaw, think of it like it's ChatGPT, or at least it talks to ChatGPT to get things done for you. ChatGPT is great for just chatting. You go back and forth. You can tell you what to say, how to reply to someone, but it doesn't go and read your email and then tell you what, or respond to the email and schedule a meeting and so on. So OpenClaw still would use your ChatGPT or your Gemini and whatever language model that you use. It uses that, but then it has the ability to run things. It has its own computer that allows it to execute on things, including trading and other things. Another thing you need to know, OpenClaw has skills. So I know that in ChatGPT, you got this whole agent mode, which sort of runs a computer and it can book a restaurant reservation for you, but it would never really do really complicated stuff. So OpenClaw has skills. The skills, it has a skills folder, which means you can teach each and every agent how to use tool. Each skill is a directory containing a skill.md with YML front matter and instructions. OpenClaw loads bundled skills plus optional local overrides and filters them at load time based on environment config and binary presence. You don't need to understand all these technical words. I'll break it down to you guys. So you need OpenClaw to do this. Okay, now how do you get OpenClaw? The way it works is this. Let me go back. You have heard of this whole Mac Mini thing because you need to run OpenClaw on your own computer. But in my way that I figured out to do, you don't need to buy a Mac Mini. You can do it with a $20 per month worth of server on HostGator or Hostinger. I'll show you how it works. Now, going back to the structure of how this whole thing works, I prepared something for you guys here. So the way this model is working for me, I have TradingView. In my TradingView, I have some indicator that I'm using that I always use for trading. It's called the Nitros Bull. Oh, I just got a notification now. I also just got a message on my phone because the agent went off. It means that the agent is going to open a trade for me right now. Okay, so this is how it works. I get this notification, whether it's short or long, based on the Nitros Bull. The Nitros Bull is the one that is giving me these indicators, say bear, bull, bear, bull. So whenever it triggers, my agent is supposed to open a trade based on this indicator. Like, for example, it means that a couple of hours ago, it went short based on this indicator on a 15-minute time frame. And since then, this short position has been really, really profitable because Bitcoin has dropped somewhere about 3.2% since then. I did not have to do anything. The bot is taking care of it. So I'll show you where to find all the tools. So the way it works is that you go TradingView, you go the signals. The signals are bundled into a webhook. This webhook is passed into the server, which the server will explain how you can set it up. Again, you don't have to do anything. The agent does it for you. And then you got OpenClaw, the agent. The agent, or your PhD quant, is the agent here. You communicate with him via Telegram or WhatsApp. And then you can say, okay, open a trade or close the trade. Or if Trump posts on his Twitter account, open a trade short, whatever you want to tell it. Then it will execute, and then it will make the trade on your exchange. In this case, I was using BitGet. So the BitGet trade would get executed, or you're using Binance, Bybit, whatever, or any other exchange that you're using. I have my own exchanges that I'm recommending for this, but I will show you guys how to do it. So where do you find all the tools, and what do you really need to set this up for yourself? So I need you to do this. I need you to go to graybtc.io. I have listed all the tools for you. Link is in bio, link in the description, or link below this video. I have listed all the tools that I use for crypto and AI. So number one thing that you're going to need is Hostinger. Make sure you use these specific links. You click them from my website because you get discounts when you're signing up on things. Hostinger, you get a deal. You can claim the deal here. Since I invited you to it, you claim the deal, you set it up or whatever. What I recommend is you choose this plan here, the $6 per month plan, or $7 or whatever. I recommend that one. And then after that, you got Hostinger. This is your virtual computer, your VPS, where your cloud bot is going to be sitting on, or your agents are going to be sitting on. You're using this because you want to avoid running it on your own computer or buying a Mac Mini. Because if you can run it on a virtual server, it runs 24/7. And then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to have to buy a domain name, which costs you about $1. You're going to buy a domain right here also within Hostinger. Once you buy your hosting deal, you can buy a domain from inside. It can be any name. A domain, for those of you that don't know what it is, it's something like graybtc.io or trading.com. That is a domain name. Because if you use a random domain name, the crypto exchanges or some services might not work. They will be blocking your trading calls. So you have to be careful with that. And then after you bought that, you go back to graybtc.io and you need to get yourself Manus AI. So it's free, okay? But you get a much better agentic system and more tokens when you pay for it. So it could cost you about, I think it's $20 per month for this Manus AI agent if you want. You can use for the free version if you want, no problem. And then you're going to need ChatGPT, a paid ChatGPT or a free one, because you need API. So if you type OpenAI API, you go to OpenAI, it will give you the API, you created API keys. You can ask ChatGPT on how to do this, or you can just watch a YouTube video on how to create API keys. They're private, so keep them safe. But you're gonna need this because when you set up your OpenClaw, the OpenClaw will need an API of a language model like ChatGPT. If you use Cloud, use Cloud or Claude. If you use Gemini, give it a Gemini API key. So it depends on which language model you prefer. This OpenClaw bot will need to use that as well. And just so that you know, using the API service for any of the language models is not free. There is this thing we call tokens. You have to pay the tokens. So I'll show you at the end how to avoid overusing the tokens to save money. Even though it's very cheap anyway, it's like you can maybe spend another $20 a month on tokens, but I'll also show you how to avoid spending too many tokens. That's another thing to do. Another thing you're gonna need is, let's see, if you want to use the same strategies that I'm using, the Nitros Bull, then you might have to also get the Nitros Bull. Link to that is also on my website here. You just go on Get Started and you go get it from there. And then you also need, you need OpenClaw, but you don't need to go to OpenClaw from here. You go to OpenClaw from Manus AI. So once you purchased all those tools, you're now going to create an account and you're going to sign up on Manus. And then inside Manus AI, you're going to type and say, okay, you write a prompt and say, look, I want to create a trading bot that listens to my alerts in TradingView. So I need you to set up OpenClaw on my hosting a VPS, which is this one. I will give you the login details to this, set it all up, and I need it to communicate with me via Telegram. You're telling Manus AI to do this, by the way. Okay. Now, whenever the indicator is triggered, I want my bot, my cloud bot, or a lot of people call it OpenClaw now. It used to be Cloud Bot. I want OpenClaw to open trades for me on my favorite exchange, which is BitGet or Binance or whatever you're using, or BTCC, Wix, whatever. I will give you the API keys. Go ahead and set it up. So it will go and start building it all up for you. It will set up the OpenClaw and so on. And then afterwards, it will ask you that, hey, I need the API keys for this account. I need password for this account, what. Once you have done it all, then you're going to have to change the passwords for a lot of these platforms because, it might not be that secure to have AI agents holding secrets to your accounts. Another thing you need to pay attention to, if you're going to create an agent account that you need the agents to run, make sure the agent cannot withdraw funds. So if you're going to create API keys using your crypto exchange account, make sure that it can execute orders, but it cannot withdraw or move money around. You also want to limit how much money you're going to put in that sub account. Why? Because if someone has access to your API keys through a hack of any of these agents that get hacked, then they can just open a random trade 100x on your account just so that they can drain it, to troll. So you want to avoid, don't give these agents access to your entire account. And this is not financial advice on this video, and it's just educational purposes, but do not take all access and then hand it over to the agents. Limit what it has access to. Limit the amount of money you put into it. Start with small amounts to experiment with what's going on. As the more you start to understand it, you can start increasing it slowly. But start small, guys. It's very important to start small. After that, you can then always go into Telegram, give it any type of idea you have, any strategy you have to be like, okay, do this and do that. Or you can work together with the AI to figure out a better strategy. Now, to save tokens, if you're going to be setting this up and you don't know something, you hit the wall, you have to ask AI, but do not ask OpenClaw itself using your Telegram, because every interaction there, you're paying API tokens. So what you need to do, use your cloud or use your GPT to exchange information, or just to find out, to query whatever questions you have about the process. Or I'm struggling on this point, what do I need to do? Ask ChatGPT or Claude, or ask Gemini, whatever. I don't care what language model you use. For back and forth chit chat, use your daily AI model that you use. Do not use OpenClaw for basic stuff. Use OpenClaw only for execution. You figured out what you need to do and you want it to do something, you can give it. And use Manus just to manage the OpenClaw, since it might have access. You give it login access to your hosting or VPS account. Now, if you're going to use my link to sign up on any of these platforms, you're going to get free, either it's free money or free credits. Like on Manus, you're going to get 500 credits free to start with. So you don't need to pay for anything. You can use this 500 credits to get some things because I invited you to it. Same for the crypto exchanges here. If you want to get started on crypto, or you don't have a crypto exchange account, I would recommend, if you're going to use API trading, use OKX. Use Wix. These are incredible for API trading, which is what we're doing in this video. And then if you're looking for funding for a crypto funded account, you can get it at HashHedge. Link is also right here. So whatever you need for AI and crypto, always go to my website, use the referral links. You win a lot. I also get something from it. So you're supporting the channel through doing that. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on tomorrow's video. If you have any questions, keep them coming. Do not forget to join the Telegram group as well, because I'll be sharing a lot more interesting things in there, some prompts, and also I'll add a few AI agents in the group so that they'll be giving us more trades every day. I'll see you guys later. Take care.